morning guys, and welcome to another FPV guy video. I'm Lorentzen, and as you know, this week I'm cruising around CES here and looking for stuff that I'm interested in, fascinated with, or just simply want to play with. One of the things, I have definitely seen this shape somewhere before. I would be an idiot if I didn't recognize it. However, it does have a feature that I have not seen before in this size. It's a 15-minute flight time with a full-on 3-axis stabilized 4K gimbal up on front for only $499. Now, let's go in and look at the details. Down the bottom here, we have the battery that gets you 15 minutes of flight time. You can see how compact these drones are starting to get. Up here on top, we have the GPS. Then we have the technology right here. Down here is the infrared altitude sensor and a optical flow camera in front. And all the way up in front here, we have the 3-axis camera, so you got roll, pitch, and yaw stabilization in one unit. The important thing here is, without a full 3-axis stabilization, you are simply not able to get a fully stabilized image. Because the gimbal is stabilized in all directions, you don't have to use digital stabilization, and you're getting the full 4K when you save the file out. Again, of course, having the GPS is brilliant because it means you can hit return to home and this thing is going to come back to where you started without you having to wonder where it's at. You can also do things like POI. You set an object and you can do a 360 around it. And seriously guys, this thing is so small. Look at my hand here. This is a 15-minute flight time, 3-axis stabilized aircraft that fits inside the palm of my hand, kind of, except for the propellers, really. They fold up, so you get them kind of like this right here, guys. This is a small aircraft. I cannot believe how small they are. But there's one more important feature here. It ships with a regular Mode 2 or regular RC flight controller. So you're getting this thing with the 3-axis gimbal and this. Do I sound like one of those guys on late night TV? The next thing you're gonna expect to be ship 2 of these for $19.99? No, that's not it. Basic, but you are getting the radio and you're getting the thing and the 3-axis gimbal. I gotta tell you, the 3-axis gimbal for less than $500, I am really liking the price point for where these are going. And I'm sure in a year or two, we're gonna see prosumer drones that comes this small. So that's why I'm fascinated. I'm fascinated with how small it's getting. Anyway, as I said, radio, aircraft, 15-minute flight time, 3-axis gimbal, and only $499. So there you have it. Stay tuned for more videos here from CES 2018. Make sure you click down the corner and subscribe for more videos. We've got a lot more stuff coming up. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.